right. MatchX M2 Pro Miner. Just ordered this a few weeks back, and I just got it in the mail. Cool little light bulb. And a nice little gold coin. For anybody who's interested, I will be offloading that on eBay. Who knows? Pretty cool. Alright, that's the wrapper for the light bulb. Alright, pretty cool looking box. MatchX. And there you have it. I mean, to tell you the truth, for $3,000 I was expecting a few more trinkets, but we're not going to hold that against them. I think the value of this thing is in what it does, not how many trinkets you get, so I'll give them a pass. Put that to the side. Okay, pretty sleek looking box. Nice design. Let's get this open here. All right. Okay, what's this? Kind of makes me feel like Scrooge McDuck with all those coins, you know? Cool little sticker. Okay. Now, this device comes with 3 antennas, but there is a slot for a 4th. Power cord. Some screws. And I guess that's if you're MacGyver, you get to use that for something. And I went ahead and purchased this Cat 6 cable, but they do actually provide you with a couple cables. So it's a pretty small device. Pretty light too, you know? Doesn't seem very robust, but hey. Yeah, so there it is. Now you have these 2 slots in the back, just in case you want to hang it up somewhere, and that's what these screws are for. Now these 2 screws on the bottom, we're going to take those off and then remove the back plate. And under there is where the QR code is for you to basically onboard your miner onto the app. Take it easy with that thing. All right. So you got the QR code, open up your app. Go ahead and put in your credentials, add miner, scanny, bow. Congratulations, you're mining.